Hey guys, this is Mr. Ansouris. Everybody should have received a text message or some kind of email or something with this page right here. A teacher should have called you and you should have received this. If you look at the second box, it talks about Microsoft Teams. Some people having trouble logging into it. So let's take a look at how to log into Microsoft Teams. So guys, what I did is I just went ahead and copied this link right here. Teams.microsoft.com. I went ahead and copied it, and then here I already have it, but if I copy and paste, I just kind of pasted it right here. I press enter, and then boom, it takes me to this, right? So here you're gonna see this says my name because that's my account, but I'm gonna go ahead and just click sign in, and it should take you to something that looks more let's click here. It looks more like this. So here I already have an account that I put on here. This is the student's ID, and then this is the at ideastudents.org. Again, this @ sign right here. It's very easy. You're going to click that shift button on your laptop, and then you're going to click the number 2 all at the same time. If I do this, boom, the little @ sign appears, and then I can click next. So I click next. Now it's going to ask me for my password. So if we look back at our paper here, we can see that our password is idea with a capital I. Notice how it has a capital I and then idea, and then it's your birthday. So your birthday, let's say it's May 9, 2017. This is what it's going to look like. Idea 05 for May, 09 for the 9th, and then 07, right? That's exactly what it's going to look like. And so let's go ahead and take a look at this real quick. So here I already typed in the password. Obviously you can't see it because it's a password, it's secret. But I typed in the capital I for idea, and then the student's birthday, which is again the month, the day, and the year. And I only need the last 2 of the year. So like if you were born again in 2007, then you're only writing 07. Right? That makes sense. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to click sign in. Once I click sign in, it's going to take me into it. Now I'm in my account. So that username and that password, you're going to be using them all the time. And so make sure that you remember how to do it. Once you're on there, again, boom, you're done. Basically, you're at the Idea Runbird 6th grade team. This is your team right here. You're going to click on that team, and it's going to take you to all of your classes. Here you can see Mr. Bani, Mr. Kimi, Mr. Maine, all of your teachers. You can see them here. This is where you're going to be going, and you're going to be doing your homework from here and looking at all the lessons that we make for you here on this page. So if you're still having trouble, please contact your teacher to let them know that you're still having trouble logging in. But it's that easy, guys. A lot of you guys already told me that it was super easy and you guys already did it. If that's one of you, good job. If not, please, again, contact one of your teachers so that we can help you out to get into it, so that everybody's logged in. Remember, we want to start school on Monday, so make sure you're ready for this Monday. We want to start everything. All right, well, have a good day. Enjoy this last weekend before you go back to school. I mean, technically going back to school. All right, have a good one.